Hello, everyone. Welcome to Emily.RPA Academy, the easiest general-purpose RPA tutorial channel to get started. In this video, we will introduce how to use the Print To tool. This tool is similar to right-clicking on a web page in a browser and then clicking Print. It can be used in your automation process when you need to save a particular page as a PDF or you have to actually print the page. Suppose we want to save the price chart of the Tesla stock today. You would search for the stock symbol, TSLA, on Google, view its chart, and save it. This can also be automated using Emily. We open training mode, go to Google. And type TSLA in the search bar. After pressing enter, you'll see the chart. At this point, you can click Print To in the middle to save the chart as a PDF. After clicking, select PDF. If you need to actually print it out, you can use Printer on the right side. After selecting, just name this file and save. Once everything is confirmed to be working correctly, you can stop the training, give the skill a name, and upload it. If you want to change the file name for saving in the future, you can adjust the skill. Click on the skill you just created, find the print step, and click on it. Then, select the third last option, Tweak, where you can change the save file name and set headers and footers just like in other browsers. Sometimes, because you need to save files with different names according to different scenarios, you can use text variables to name the saved files. This way, the saved files can display different names depending on the scenario. To do this, just type %text file name %.pdf in the place where you name the file. This is the content of this course. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment or post a question on the official forum. Thank you. We will see you next time.